2 years ago, I traveled 5,000 miles to Istanbul, Turkey to get a hair transplant where I had 3,000 grafts transplanted. 6 years prior to that, I got my first hair transplant here in the States where I roughly had about 1,500 grafts transplanted. I say all of that to say that clearly keeping my hair was extremely important to me, but getting a hair transplant should not be your end all be all. And that's something that I personally had to learn the hard way after getting my first hair transplant. It's also important to know that hair transplants are not for everyone. If you're someone that is currently losing hair and are okay with being bald, then there is nothing wrong with it. Bald is beautiful, but also if you're someone that chooses not to be bald, then there's nothing wrong with that either. If you're losing hair and the choice of keeping it will make you happy, then do it. You only live once. But let's be honest here. If you're suffering with hair loss, hair restoration can and will most likely be a lifelong commitment. It's not just something you can do part-time and expect amazing results or a full head of hair. For me, it wasn't until after my first hair transplant where I realized how much of a commitment this was going to be. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, I am Rio, and here we discuss men's style and fashion topics designed to help you guys look and feel your best. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and set notifications to all so you'll be notified for future videos. The head of hair that I currently have has not been primarily due to the transplants. I have made it a point to personally challenge myself to establish a good lifestyle and dietary habits to ensure that I have the best results possible. Been 2 years since my second hair transplant in Turkey, and here we are. I've had pretty good growth, and ultimately I'm happy with where I'm at. However, things aren't perfect, if I'm being honest. Not that I expect them to be, but they could be a little bit better. I'm gonna be embarking on a new journey, a new hair and beard journey, where I'm gonna be testing some newer products. Of course, for me, I currently have a head of hair and a beard. I wouldn't say that my beard is the fullest ever, but it has pretty good value. The goal for me isn't necessarily to use these new products as a growing method, but I'm gonna be testing them to see the overall effectiveness and the results. For those of you that have seen some of my previous videos on my hair transplant journey, you know I've been taking finasteride and minoxidil to ensure that I have the best results possible. But one of the things I've heard from a lot of you is that you guys don't want to take medications that can cause ill adverse side effects. A lot of you out there prefer to do things the natural route. And honestly, I did too. But I knew I had to make some exceptions in order to be where I wanted to be with my hair. The products I'm going to be showing you in this video is the natural route. The items I'm going to be going over today is from today's video sponsor, Copenhagen Grooming. I have 2 kits that I'm going to be going over and utilizing over the next 3 months. And of course, I'm going to be updating and sharing each month. First up, we have Copenhagen Grooming's the Hair Growth Kit, which you see right here. Inside the Hair Growth Kit, we have 3 things. The first thing we have is called the Moon Roller. So this is a microneedle roller consisting of 1140.5 millimeter titanium needles, which are designed to penetrate the scalp and boost blood flow. Next, we have the Activator, which is a hair serum, and this is designed to slow down hair loss and regenerate new hair growth. Then we have this one here, which is called the Cleanser, and this is a cleaning spray which is designed to clean the Moon Roller. And then lastly, for the Hair Growth Kit, we have the capsules, which is going to be my daily supplement. The capsules include 400 milligrams of pumpkin seed oil, biotin, selenium, zinc, and copper. As I mentioned, all are natural ingredients. Again, if medications are not for you, I will be testing this supplement and these products as an alternative. And I think this should also go without saying, but I'm going to discontinue the use of finasteride and minoxidil over the next 3 months and strictly use my capsules as my primary supplement. If you want to be a part of my journey and keep track of what my progress and results are, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. For my beard, I'm going to be utilizing this, which is called the Beardgrowth Kit. As I already mentioned, my beard is fairly decent, but I'm curious to see what I'll be able to accomplish by using this kit. Personally, I would like to see a little more density kind of like in my cheek area. So again, my beard isn't bad, but there, when it starts to grow a little bit fuller, I noticed that it lacks a little bit of density. So I think I'll be making that my primary focus. The beard growth kit includes, first up, we have the beard roller. This is also a micro needle roller, and this one has 540 titanium needles that are 0.5 millimeters long. Next, we have this item, which is called the cleanser. And this one essentially is a sanitizer for the beard roller. Then we have the activator, which is a beard serum that contains 100% natural ingredients. Then we also have a beard comb as well, which is a keychain comb, so it can be attached to your keys for accessibility. The website said it was a mixture of titanium and zinc alloy. I'll be giving this a try. I do have a wooden comb, which I love, so I'm not sure if I'll be using it as my main beard comb, but again, I'll give it a shot. And we do have some supplements for the beard as well, and these are called the Sidekick. Also 100% natural ingredients such as selenium, zinc, vitamin B12, biotin, vitamin B6, and copper. I'll also be using this product, which is called the Beard Hero, which is a beard oil. Beard oil is something that I use almost daily, so it's something that I will be able to easily work into my routine. The Beard Hero is said to be more than just a regular beard oil. I'm excited to see how it does. The website says that after just 3 applications, each hair will be 11.3% thicker, so I guess we'll see. Make sure you guys subscribe to become a part of the family and keep up with this journey. If you're new here, I also cover a range of style, lifestyle, and fashion topics to help you guys look and feel your best. Hit that subscribe button to come along with this journey. And lastly, we have something called the Shape Up Kit. Primarily, this will be used for styling. And the kit includes a pair of beard scissors, which are made with 100% stainless steel. And they come in a really nice pouch as well. Oh, these are nice. I actually needed a new pair of beard scissors, so yeah, these will come in handy. Next, we have something called Cruise Control, which is a beard styling balm that contains organic shea butter. So we'll see how that works out. Lastly, we have a travel bag that says, "Dear Security, this bag only contains awesome products." It's a pretty cool bag. Seems to be made well, and it seems like it's decent for traveling. I like the fact that it's clear, so of course you can easily see what's inside of it. Oh, and it appears that there's another keychain comb in here as well. All right, so that does it for the 2 kits I'm gonna be using over the next 3 months, along with the supplements and the styling products. We're actually gonna get started today with the first use of these items. So let's do it. All right, so I went and washed my hair as well as my beard, and we're gonna get started. First, we're gonna get started with the hair growth kit. We do have a QR code on the side of it. So it says, scan the QR code to get started on your hair growth journey. So we're just gonna follow the instructions as is. So you scan the QR code and it opens up the website. So it tells us to click the button below to get the full how-to guide.
This is how you use the hair growth kit.
We're gonna start with the moon roller and the cleanser. The directions said to start by spraying the head of the moon roller and cover the entire thing. And then it said to run it back and forth 20 times. I'm not entirely sure as of right now where my desired area is going to be. The hairline is pretty much where I've had my grafts transplanted. But if I'm being honest, the hairline isn't the greatest. It's something I can easily hide in disguise, but it's not the greatest. So we're gonna give that a shot. I'm gonna do 20 times up and 20 times. All right, so we're done with that.
Lightly press the bottle so you feel the serum reaching your scalp and allow the serum to absorb. Make sure the whole area is covered.
So the activator, you apply generously to the area that we just used the moon roller on. Basically, I'm just gonna apply this along my hairline and generously and you leave it. Oh man, spraying a lot there. And then you just leave it in. All right, I think that should be enough. It said the activator is to be used every single day, either in the morning or at night. And then the moon roller should be used every 3rd day. And then we're gonna move on to the beard, and then I'll take the supplements when I'm done. Now we have the beard growth kit, which also has a QR code on the lid. So we're gonna scan that to get started.
Hi there. Thank you for scanning the beard growth kit. Before we talk about what to expect when using the kit, here's a guide on how to use it. Step 1. Spray the cleanser on the entire beard roller head.
It's gonna be very similar to the directions of the hair growth kit. And basically here I sprayed the beard roller with the cleanser to sanitize it. And then we're gonna roll in the desired area 10 times up, sideways, and diagonally. And again, my target here is gonna be pretty much in the cheeks, and I'll probably go up a little bit. You know what, I'm actually gonna go a little bit higher because I don't have the best connection, or even though I usually kind of fade that in, I do wanna have a little more growth there. So I'm pretty much gonna do here and then going up on both sides. So let's do that.
Step 3. Apply the activator serum to the target areas daily.
So now we're gonna apply the beard serum here. Made a little bit of a mess. Now that that's done, it's time to take the supplements. So we have the Sidekick, which is for the beard growth. And then we have the capsule, which is for the hair growth. Again, these are natural ingredients in both of these supplements. So like I mentioned, if taking medications that contain ingredients that aren't natural, it's something that you don't want to do, this is a route that's available. And of course, there's a lot of different things that's out there. So I'm going to be trying this out to see how it goes. I do have decently high hopes for this, mainly because I have seen some reviews and testimonials out there, and there are people that have used these items that have had amazing results. I think this is a good route to take if you're wanting to either have new hair growth or sustain your hair so you don't lose it. Again, I will be keeping you guys updated over the next 3 months with this in this journey, so you guys can keep up with it and see ultimately how it works out for me. If you're new here, subscribe, make sure you click the bell to be notified when I post new videos, new content. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. Have you heard of Copenhagen Grooming before? Is this something that you would consider trying? Is this new to you? Would you give it a shot? Let me know down below in the comment section. But that does it for me. Stay tuned for more. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Thank you.